Assalamu alaikum. My name is Farheen Rahat and I've been a professional since 7 years. I've started a graphic designing course from PNY Trainings, and we have been taught by Mr. Adnan Bhatti, who is a head designer of PITB as well. We have learned so many things, like we have learned the fundamentals of designing, like typography, color combination, alignment, arrangement, and breathing space. All that these are the fundamentals of graphic designing. And above that, we have learned Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and Corel Draw as well. And I really recommend all of you to come here if you want to be a graphic designer in future. Thank you so much.